Darkly by Marisha Pessl is a high-stakes, eerie mystery that feels like the smoothie you get if you put the Inheritance games and Jumanji together into a blender with a couple extra scoops of dark mystery and creepiness thrown in. Dia Gannon is 17, stuck running her mom's antique shop in Missouri and worried her life is going nowhere. Then she spots an ad for an internship of a lifetime, a chance to join the Louisiana Veda Foundation. Veda, long dead but legendary, was the genius behind Darkly, a cult box series of terrifying puzzle box board games that fans obsess over even decades later. Dia applies, and against all odds, she is chosen. Soon, she and 6 other teens are whisked off to a remote island off the coast of England where the original Darkly factory still stands. Their task? Find the missing 29th game and solve the mystery of a boy who vanished playing it years ago. The prize is $1 million in cash and a Darkly game of their own. Thrilling, atmospheric, and full of shocking twists, Darkly is a story of puzzles, power, and destiny. If you like your mysteries clever, creepy, and impossible to put down, Darkly is for you.